Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add an order tracking page on Shopify for free and in an easy way. So to get started, go to your Shopify dashboard, then click apps from the left side, and from there select all recommended apps, then open the Shopify App Store. So once you're inside the App Store, search for an order tracking or tracking app, and then you'll see several options available, and it's completely up to you which one you want to use. So for this video, we're going to use track 123 order tracking, but you can choose a different tracking app if you prefer. And before installing an app, you can also check its reviews, pricing, and available plans. Some apps offer free option with certain limits, while others may have paid plans. After choosing the app, click install, then confirm the installation again. And once the app opens, simply follow the setup instructions shown on the screen. And in most cases, you'll just need to continue through the setup and choose the tracking page style that fits your store. After finishing the setup, the app will create the tracking page for you. You can usually start with a free plan, and if you ever need more features or support for more orders, you can check the other plans available inside the app. So to find your tracking page, open the tracking app from the left side of your Shopify dashboard, then go to the tracking page section. So from there, you should see the link to your tracking page. You can copy the link and open it in a new tab to preview how it looks. So on this page, customers can enter their order number together with their email or phone number, then click the tracking button to check their order. You can also use the customize option if you want to change how the tracking page looks depending on the app. You may also be able to add custom sections or edit the page URL. And once everything looks good, make sure to save your changes, and your order tracking page should be ready to use on your Shopify store. Thank you so much for watching. That is all for today. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.